What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. This quarantine got us tripped out. Like, we've been stressed and everybody going crazy.
Of what we planned.
Like, we told you guys, remember? Like, oh yeah, I expect more videos. Like, no. That was not gonna happen in this house. Like, and we'll explain in the video, obviously. So, you guys keep watching for that. But today we created these two looks using the Jungle Rock collection, Wet and Wild with BRETMAN Rock. Yes, Wet and Wild, you guys. And we actually use like drugstore too, like not just,
yeah, it's pretty much a drugstore,
but not like
video
bully in a way, right?
It is,
but not like drugstore makeup haul or makeup tutorial, like where we show you guys like, okay, this is what we got, everything drugstore, and we're about to make it happen. We didn't like do a video like that.
We pulled out like drugstore items that we have, and
yeah,
but
it was, we tried to do like Wet and Wild drugstore since it was like Wet and Wild. We're like, oh, it's like the perfect time to do like a video with some drugstore since it is a drugstore collection. And so we did buy a foundation, Wet and Wild, and we had some of our own as well. And I think there's something we didn't have, like the blush.
We didn't have a blush and a concealer.
We didn't have like some things, but we made it work, and it is mainly drugstore. So we will be sharing with you guys our honest opinion with this collection, because like there was a lot of like good things people said and then a lot of bad things. So like we want to share with you our opinion about what we think about the palette. And if you guys want to find out what we really think about the palette, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so this is the bag it comes in. So of course with the palette,
I'm trying to show them the writing.
Really beautiful palette, like really bright, vibrant colors, which I'm sure it's gonna be hard for you to create a look.
Jerk.
And then it comes with 3 brushes. So this one's like a highlighter brush, and then a flat eyeshadow placement brush. That's what it says here.
Really? That's what it says?
Yeah, right. So like to pack on color on the lid, obviously, and then a blending brush. And then it comes with the highlighter, and I do like this highlighter because it's dual. This one's like more like an icy highlighter color, and then this one's like, it's like a pinkish. And then it comes with a spray. It says it's a face mist, but I did read on the website like you can use it like to set your makeup as well. And then it came with the mascara. I'm really excited to try this actually, because I like trying new mascaras, and I've never tried one from Wet n Wild. And then it came with 3 lip glosses. So like a gold one. This one's kind of like has specks of purple in it. And then this one's more like a nude with glitter reflex. And that's it. And then just the bag that it came in.
And the bag is so cute.
I know, I really like it. I want to keep using it.
It says Jungle Rock on it.
And it's big. That's what I like about it. You guys, these brushes are nice. Like, I like that fade. It's pretty.
That is all like a ombre.
And then it says BRETMAN Rock at the end. It's nice. Yeah, like an ombre.
I'm not sick. It's just my voice feels like it's going away a little bit. Let's catch you guys up as well as to like what's been going on, where we
the past month.
It's been like crazy, this whole quarantine. We thought we were gonna be able to do more videos for you guys and everything, but honestly, that flipped on us because we have a house full of people. And there was a lot of stress when this quarantine first started. Everybody reacted to it different, and there's so much people in this house, so
finding a good time to film also, like, because there's so much noise going on around us. We needed to just find like the perfect time. We needed everybody to adjust to getting on a schedule, and
that's kind of like the
for everybody
part.
To like kind of calm down. Like it was pretty crazy.
Let's get started with.
Okay, so I'm gonna prime my lids with
I'm gonna kind of copy your steps, okay?
I'm gonna prime my lips with, I was gonna use the Maybelline, but I think I'm gonna do the e.l.f. We were aiming more for like complete Wet n Wild look.
Yeah, we were trying to do.
But we don't have all the products. We use this on our face, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer. I liked it. I felt like it really moisturized my skin.
Our face is like already prepped.
So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the e.l.f.
I haven't tried that actually, so I'm actually
16-hour camo concealer. It's really thick.
Is it? Oh yeah, it was actually. I saw it.
But it catches the color really well.
She says it like dries quick.
You kind of have to work quickly. Like that's why I learned like to just do one eye at a time.
This is like a big applicator thing.
It's pretty white, damn.
Oh yeah, we look funny. So I'm gonna take like a kabuki brush. It's a Sigma one. It's like a little the eye kabuki brushes. I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my look. Cynthia is already beating me like always.
Well, I mean, I'll probably just do the crease and then jump to the other eye because I'm gonna add more concealer on the lid since I am gonna cut the crease. So I'll probably jump to the other eye right now.
Yeah, like I think I'm gonna do both. By the end of this video, we're gonna give you guys our honest opinion on what we think about
the whole collection.
Yeah, well, especially the eyeshadow palette, because we were watching like some YouTube videos and there was a lot of negative comments towards it.
I only saw like a couple like that really said they really liked it, but yeah, it was more negative ones. But to be honest, I feel like I can make any eyeshadow work. I feel like it all has to do with how you prime your eyes and then how you use the colors too. I don't set my concealer or primer or whatever on my eyes, so it's easier for it to grab onto the color for it to appear more vibrant. Before I would just go in and straight on blend it. Now I just pack on the color to as vibrant as I want it, and then I'll go back and blend it. And that makes all the difference. Play with it.
Yeah, but
Really
and at the same time too, what works for you might not work for me.
I feel like that's why it can be also hard.
For you.
It can also be hard to really trust somebody's opinion when they do first impressions. Because like she's saying, you have to play with it. You really do.
I was telling Cynthia that I feel like we should do a brow tutorial for you guys, and I was like, how is that gonna work? Like, if we both do it at the same time and show you guys how we do our brows. I mean, it can, but I was thinking maybe like if we both film a video separately, like her showing you how she does her brows and then me showing you how I do my brows. If you guys have brows like mine and maybe you guys want them to look like mine, I could show you guys. Or if you guys have brows like hers and you guys want them to look like hers, but you guys let us know, because I know we haven't showed you guys how we done our brows, and I just think that was like a good idea for us to film a video on our brows already. So I went in with Flamingo.
Yeah. You guys, the names on this palette are funny.
I haven't read them all, but it's this pink one, and then
I'm
gonna go in
them like, what?
I'm gonna go in with Feeling Myself, this purple one right here.
No, it's Feline Myself.
Cindy used Venomous and Pounce on them. It's these two right here. It's the like the greenish teal, whatever, and then this red one. So now I'm gonna cut my crease too.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
What'd you use to cut your crease? What are you doing? Whoa, that looks really nice.
I think I know what I'm doing. I use the same one, that one.
Okay, guys, so we put the whole look together. These are the two looks that we created. Cynthia has been on a roller coaster with her feelings about it. We need you guys to tell us whether she did a good job or not. She was kind of doubting herself.
Like 80% of the time.
Like she's told you guys like she's a perfectionist, which she really is, and I see how far she takes it. So when it comes to makeup, she does not play. Like her expectations are really high. So she was like, oh my gosh. And then all of a sudden
I told her like throughout the whole video, can we just like film another day? Like
I don't want to do this no more.
I want to take it off.
She was even like, you messed up, hurry up so that we don't do this no more. So
like if she messed up, then we both mess up, and then we just call it a day.
I'm like, nah, we're gonna finish this video. Did we show them what foundation we used?
No, we didn't. We used the Photo Focus foundation. It's the dewy one, shade golden beige.
Yeah, it's always golden. Like for drugstores, we're always like a golden.
We're always the same
or
shade,
the neutral.
Which is perfect for us.
Yeah,
we just use the same.
We have
foundation.
the same undertone. So we did use a Wet n Wild. It's a contouring palette. So it has like the
kind of like a banana powder.
Yeah, so we used this all over our face.
It didn't really come off too yellow. Like that's why I liked it. I was hesitant about using it at first, but I like how it looks.
And I felt like I needed to, because this Actually, this foundation made you pretty dewy. Like,
yeah, it does.
It's pretty dewy. And I don't like dewy looks, so I was just like, okay, whoa. So we use this. I don't think you've ever really used this, huh?
No.
She's had this forever.
Because I always thought it was too yellow, so I was scared.
And it's
so
like
I would
perfect.
just stick to like any translucent powders I have.
It like set like so smooth. I thought it was just like perfect. And then we use the contour. Do you use this one too, huh?
Yeah.
I like this one.
That's my favorite. I always use that one.
Honestly, I did feel like it took a while to build it.
You kind of have to dip your brush, like, dig it in there. But I like it.
I mean, that is a good thing because then it helps you to not put so much and not get that area like your contour is so harsh, which that's something I like. Like, that's why I'm always looking for soft contour shades because I don't like it when they're too harsh. What else did we use? Oh, you used the highlighter. She used the highlighter, you guys.
I really loved it. I used the lighter side is called Lioness, and I really liked it. It's
like
nice,
a little,
like, as you can tell.
It's a loose powder.
It's nice. And then
the mascara.
I'm not really sure how to judge it. Like,
we didn't like the curve. The curve.
Like the brush, yeah, we didn't like that it curves, but like
everybody's different. Like, we didn't like that.
I guess you just have to use it like that, where the curve is on the bottom, because I feel like when I do it like this, sometimes
you sting like down here. Yeah.
So I use it like that, but
I think we're used to the straight. We never get like a curved.
The product itself, I don't really know because I put lashes on, obviously.
It's just mascara.
Yeah.
I don't know how to judge mascara really.
I do, but I usually judge it when I use it.
Oh, when the brush is good?
No, when I use it by itself. Like, when I want my lashes to stand out.
Yeah.
Like that one, the L'Oreal one.
Yeah.
That's my favorite mascara because I love how my lashes look when I curl them right after using it. Like, I like it. It's my favorite mascara.
Yeah, this is our favorite mascara. This is like the only mascara we like use like ever. And it's like, see, it's like more it's straight. We never got like a curved one. It's more thicker, huh? It's like fatter.
The brush, yeah. So it carries more product, and I don't know, I just like how it leaves your lashes.
This is like our go-to.
The gloss, I use the gold one in the shade Ferocity. This one was really pretty. This is all I have on my lips. I was gonna put on something under, but I don't know, I just liked it by itself.
Yeah, we both just have the gloss, and I went in with, what is this one? Freaky?
I told you the names are funny.
I went in with Freaky because it has like purple, what is that? Like glitter or something? You guys probably can't see, but you can see from here.
Yeah.
It like went with like this look I created. What else?
The brushes. She asked me at the end if I use them, and I'm like, oh damn it, I forgot. I was excited to try the blending one. The only one I did try was the highlighter one, but to be honest, I always preferred a fan brush for my highlighter, so I like this one better than this one.
You're just not used to it, that's why.
No.
Maybe like this could be for like the little areas, like your nose or something, or like like maybe a dab or something like right here, like on your brow.
But I just like that this like
over here
softly applies the highlighter. Like, this seems like too much for me.
So we saved this for last, you guys. I mean, like, well, to do with you guys. This is the
you have to shake it
setting
first.
spray.
I like the smell. It smells like coconut and I love it.
It smells like a coconut candy or something. Like coconut ice cream. The Mexican one. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite ice cream.
Damn.
I really go in.
I'm not used to using setting spray, so I'm careful.
I know, I was like, what the heck, that was quick. Ooh, and it tastes sweet. It went in my mouth.
I tried it.
It tastes good.
What were your thoughts on the palette?
Oh, my thoughts on the palette.
What were your thoughts on...
Oh, okay. So remember how Cynthia said that what we were talking about, it's just really like you have to get out of your comfort zone and try other like tricks and how to do eyeshadow, because it depends whether it's like a really creamy eyeshadow, like higher end, usually they're more creamier, or if it's more like drugstore. Sometimes not all drugstores, but some drugstores are like cheap and chalky, or just those chalky ones in general. Eyeshadows, I did feel like if I wouldn't have done her technique with doing concealer, which I don't do, I would have not liked it because it's like chalky. What did you think about this palette?
I liked it because I'm able to make the colors work.
Yeah, Cynthia could
like
work
I
with it.
said, how like I really apply the color before I decide to blend it. I apply as much as I can so it appears as vibrant as I want it. Yeah, I really liked it. Like I want to create a lot more looks with it. Like there's so much I can do with it. I just like it. I like the whole collection, to be honest.
Yeah, I like this collection too. I do like the colors in this palette. It's very like jungly, just like it says. It's like a rainforest or something with all the colors.
Yeah.
And I love the setting spray. It does smell so freaking bomb.
The lip glosses smell really good too. Like
They do.
I don't know what they smell like, but they smell good.
They have like a fruity or fresh. I don't know.
So,
but
yeah, that's our honest opinion. It really is.
We hope you guys enjoyed this look we created. These looks we created. Let her know if you like her look because she was tripping. I think she's tripping.
No, I like it now.
Oh, now she likes it. But I think she was
worked
tripping.
out.
And let us know if you guys do want to see like a brow tutorial. Like how I said, a separate video. Or if you guys want us both to do it. But I just feel like it's harder to focus. Like, oh wait, you do it different. Wait, how do you do it? Like, it's just I feel like it's
going on.
Yeah, and I think it's better like if you guys see how we both do our brows and stuff. Like we obviously do them different. People do their brows different. Like some people do them more boxed or natural or like everybody's different. So if you guys would like to see how we do our brows, then make sure you guys comment down below and let us know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye. Peace, guys. We didn't give them a nail update, or should we say it in the beginning?
It's pretty obvious.
Our nails are so ugly. Do not judge. Do not.
Oh, I forgot we still have to do the intro.
Peace.